started that big order, still trying to get to the editing for part 2. But just a little bit of what we're going on. Got that one going, that one going, and that one going. And let me show you what they look like. So this is the left chest. This is on the sleeve. And let me see, do I have another sleeve? Here's the other sleeve. And so we now have all of this that has to be done. And still all of this. So yes, a very productive day, but you know, the flowers are looking great. The next video that I'll shoot will actually be harvesting the last bouquet for a bouquet club member. Just wanted to drop in, say hey, hope y'all are doing great, and we'll have some information for you soon.